radar just got loose, y'all. Hey man, this is not your lane, buddy. Oh, why you do that like that? Oh, right now. Swerving and gromming. So, funny story, y'all. When I was in high school, it's not a funny story. Fun fact. When I was in high school, I used to work at Party City. I like these lights though. It's like, normally you see these lights, it normally be Christmas time. Yeah. But it's fitting for the area. Rolls Royce right here. You guys can see. Made by BMW, obviously. We got a Maybach SUV right here. Still gapping both of them shits, by the way. Another Rolls Royce SUV right here. Obviously, y'all know that the G82 will still gap all of them cars. We know that though. I would say this, man. That's the easiest job I ever had in my entire life. Like, when I was looking for a job at 17 years old or 16 years old, I was trying to find the easiest job that I can possibly get. Right? I never did the fast food route and nothing like that. I know a lot of people do that route whenever they're like finding a job, but man, listen, I went and got that. I would try to find the easiest job, and I got it. It took me mad long to get the job, but I finally got it. But when I got it, I made the right choice. Literally, it's never really busy in there unless it's the weekend. But then even if it's the weekend, all people coming in to do just shopping for parties and stuff, like kids parties. So if you're 15, 16, 17 years old and you want to find a job that's easy, don't know how much they pay now, but if you're just looking for an easy job, YouTube, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Swole Shooter. As you guys can see, I'm back again with another POV drive. This time we're in the city of Atlanta, and we're gonna be cruising around and see what we can get into. Right now we're in a Buckhead area. Right by Phillips Plaza, as you guys can see. And we're just here seeing what the city got for us tonight. Oh, we got a G-Wagon over there. Let's go this way. Let's go check out that G-Wagon, if that's possible. You guys can see. Anybody that like G-Wagons, let me know what kind that is. I know it's the V8 by a turbo one. I'm pretty sure it's an AMG. Let me know if y'all like that one. It's Lennox Mall right here, as you guys can see. And yeah, I think it's closed right now though. It's Sunday. Today's Sunday, so I'm pretty sure they're closed right now. My radar just got loose, y'all. Parking deck right now. Oh, I think this is an entrance by the mall. I'm gonna go this way. I'm about to give you guys a walk around of the car. Haven't done it in a while. I've just been doing POVs from the inside, so I'm gonna hop out right now and show y'all exactly how the car look and how it's sitting right now. So pull up right here. I think this is paid parking, but I'm definitely not paying. All right, so as y'all can see, same blacked out look that it's always been. Obviously the M wheels is still there. Car is lowered on CTS turbo springs. It has a mid-pipe, a catted mid-pipe, stock cat back. Car is tuned, and it is on E85. We got 15mm space on the back, 10mm on the front. Y'all can see we got some Nitto tires on the back, Triple R G2s, I believe, yeah, on the back. And for the back tires, the front tires is some basic style tires. Yeah, as y'all can see. We got the carbon roof, and we have the laser lights from the front. Also, we got a front lip. This is like my fourth lip on this car. No, it's my third lip on this car, because I be going through these lips like they always cracking. So yeah, I still got plans for the car, still got mods to come in. But really next, what I really want to do, I want to do the front grills. I want to get some carbon grills for the front. I don't know what I'm waiting on. I should have been ordered already. And I want some front mount intakes. I think that's the next step for the car. Yeah, but yeah, I feel like I haven't gave you guys a walk around the car in a long time, so happy that you guys see it right now. And eventually I want to do a carbon hood also. I'm gonna do that soon, after I do the grill and the front mount intakes. And, so I'm gonna do it. But me, man, I'm more like a performance guy over cosmetics. I do like cosmetic stuff, but it's like minimal cosmetic stuff. I'm more like an OEM plus. That's how I like my cars, OEM plus style. I don't like any extra stuff, you know. But yeah, after the front carbon grills and the front mount intakes, I think I'll chill for a minute, and I'll just start working on performance. Keep working on performance. Also, we do have a special guest on the channel today. Say hi.
Hi.
All these cars are charging. I would hate to have to sit here and charge my car. That would be so annoying. Like, gas station take 2 minutes to pump your gas. People gotta sit here and charge the car.
And then some people don't even live in an area.
Yeah, like you gotta
drive.
Right. Hopefully the world don't get to the point where gas becomes so high that we can't afford gas, man. I don't think a dummy up the truck. justice. If you're from Atlanta, then you know exactly where I'm at right now. Without any introduction of this place. I don't know if y'all seen that. He just curbed the hell out of his car. That's crazy.
I thought that was your car.
Oh no, and he just almost fell. Damn, bro, you drunk or something, man? Jeez. It's crazy out here, y'all. Circle the roundabout. But if you're not from Atlanta, you watching this video, this place is called Atlantic Mall.
Oh, that's the girl from Love Island.
Oh.
Right there on the
Oh, Nike thing?
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, I think so.
He wasn't paying attention. That's the girl with the one leg.
Oh, so we got a one-legged girl from Love Island on here. If you guys have that start-stop feature in your car, it doesn't save gas at all. Like, it's proven that it doesn't work. So if you have that feature where every time you come to a red light, your car turns off and then you let go of the brake and start back up, just turn that shit off. Figure out a way. Every single car could be able to turn off on it. So turn it off, because all you're doing is killing your starter. All you're doing is killing your starter. It doesn't save gas. I don't know, man. I feel like Atlanta is the best city in the world.
No, it's not. New York is the best city in the world.
We have a lot of potholes. Where? Who got the best city?
New York. Yeah.
I don't know about that.
That's not even a question.
I don't know about that one. Now, New York is very nice though. But I feel like Atlanta is better. It's bigger.
What? You're lying.
No, we don't have much.
You're literally lying.
We don't have a lot of people here in Atlanta. But just this. Okay, New York is a better place, like a better city than Atlanta. But if you look around, Atlanta looks better.
No, we don't.
You see all these nice sidewalks, and we got grass.
We have grass.
In the city?
Yes, we have parks.
No, I'm talking about everywhere. There's grass everywhere. Like, it's like, you know, the air feel more. Overall, though. Wow. Atlanta do have the worst drivers, though. I will tell you that. They do have the worst drivers. What the hell he do? With a handicap tag on.
Where?
Like, he just did all that just to come right here.
Handicap tag is crazy. Be careful.
Yeah, but get over here. law-abiding citizens. We're not gonna run the light like all of these people that was just in front of me. We're gonna stop and let someone else go. That's what we're gonna do. All right? Do I run lights?
Tell the truth or lie?
Tell the truth.
Yes.
Lie. Bro, when have you seen me run a light?
Every day.
Every day. Jesus Christ. She lying, y'all. She don't even be in this car every day.
You don't even be in this car every day.
Exactly. So how do I run light every day? Hey y'all, so we in Buckhead Village right now. This is like the bougie part. It's like the bougie part of Atlanta. I think I'm gonna turn in there so you guys can check it out if you guys never seen it. It's a nice place though. They don't have any good stores in here, but all the good stores are gone. But check it out so y'all can see. Alright, so we got store. I don't know the name of that. Don't know the name of this. Drive around a little bit. Where's that shit? Oh, it's a perfect spot for pictures though, right?
Yeah.
Aww. Look how cute they are, you guys. But look, this store right here used to be a babe store, y'all. That was Jones Road. That's it, Jones Road. Yeah. What is Jeffrey, man? Jeffrey. Yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. No, it's not it. It's some more around the corner. I'm gonna drive around and so y'all can see some more.
They have Lululemon over here.
No, they don't.
Moved it, right?
Yeah, I think they moved it. If they ever had it.
They did. We seen the sign last time we was over. Or maybe they said it was coming or something.
Oh. I like these lights though. It's like normally you see these lights, it normally be Christmas time.
Yeah.
But it's fitting for the area. We got somebody out here like, wait, she got an extension cord right there. How did she get an extension cord? She got a computer plugged into the extension cord. It's Buckhead Village. As you guys can see, I don't see any stores that I know the name of at all. I think this end of it is a restaurant, and Yappa. Do y'all know Yappa?
There's always people in here.
Over here, right?
Yeah.
You might have to check that. You might check it out one time. Hey, y'all, so this right here is a dog park. I don't know if y'all ever seen it, but it's literally dogs in here. Oh, is it still a dog? Yeah, it is a dog park still. See? Sometimes during the daytime, you get a lot of dogs over here.
Oh, you have to be a member. Or you have to sign up.
I'm gonna go around here so y'all can see it.
Oh, I think there is a store there that we know
Where?
from last time. Or I think it's like a Shake Shack back there, right?
Yeah, it is a Shake Shack over here. Yeah.
And there's like a dessert place.
A Rolls Royce right here. You guys can see. Made by BMW, obviously. We got a Maybach SUV right here. Still gapping both of them shits, by the way. Another Rolls Royce SUV right here. Obviously, y'all know that the G82 will still gap all of them cars. We know that though. We know that. They be like when I talk that shit though.
Oh, the real like that's what we seen over here.
Yeah. We got a Cartier store right here.
Had it
We got AP. Do we have an AP store? So we got a Rolls Royce store. No. I mean a Rolex store, Cartier store right here. Yeah.
Get Shake Shack.
And we have Shake Shack. And yeah, we do have Audemars Piguet. So we do have AP right here also. As you guys can see. You guys keep watching my video, liking, commenting, and subscribing. One day, I'm gonna give away a Rolex. You guys get me to 100,000 subscribers. Mark my words. I'll be giving away a Rolex watch. So subscribe to the channel. Oh, that is a plane, but it's like a small one. It's plane. It's like a small. It's like a little plane.
I would drink a
Milkshake. I got a little sweet tooth also. Oh, this don't look safe, y'all. What the hell? Turn my camera on in the front. I think I only can go right.
Do you guys like my
Is that Elmo?
No.
Hey man, this is not your lane, buddy.
This is
Dumbass nigga, bro.
This is
Stitch? Oh, Nemo and Stitch?
what?
Lilo and Stitch.
Not Nemo. Nemo is a fish.
Forgive me, y'all. I don't really watch. Oh my god. She scared the hell out of me. Y'all, I do not watch cartoons, so I don't know.
I love Lilo and Stitch.
Oh, this shit look high as hell. Oh, and eyes look scary back here. I'm not going back here, y'all.
That is so dark.
Yeah, we ain't going back there, y'all. That shit look like staying out here. Damn, it's so steep right here, cuz. Right now, y'all, I'm on a slope right now. So I'm about to go and see if I scrape. Hopefully I don't. Let's go. Oh yes, thank God. Oh, why you do that like that? Oh, already. Swerving and gromming. So, funny story, y'all. When I was in high school, it's not a funny story. Fun fact. When I was in high school, I used to work at Party City. And the one I used to work at is out of business.
And now it's Dollar Tree.
And now it's a Dollar Tree. But I would say this, man, that's the easiest job I ever had in my entire life. Like, when I was looking for a job at 17 years old or 16 years old, I was trying to find the easiest job that I can possibly get. Right? I never did the fast food route or nothing like that. I know a lot of people do that route whenever they're like finding a job, but man, listen, I went and got that. I would try to find the easiest job, and I got it. It took me mad long to get the job, but I finally got it. When I got it, I made the right choice. Literally, it's never really busy in there. unless it's the weekend. But then even if it's the weekend, all people coming in to do is just shopping for parties and stuff, like kids parties. So if you're 15, 16, 17 years old and you want to find a job that's easy, don't know how much they pay now, but if you're just looking for an easy job,
I think they're
all got out of business.
I think so.
So just if you're going all out of the business, then try to get in there as fast as you can if you want some easy shit.
Because a lot of people are using like Amazon now.
Yeah, party stuff, yeah. It's cheaper. And Party City used to be expensive too. It's one thing, it's always expensive.
Their own, like,
Yeah,
chat
facts. So AI is making Party City go out of business.
Yeah.
Which is crazy. Sorry. The cops are here. Oh yeah, see, he got the tire straps in the front of his shit. He locked people up for real. He locked people up by groups. Check this place out. Oh my god, my skirt. Oh my god, that shit is crazy. See how steep that shit though?
But it goes all the way down.
Oh, we got Baskin Robbins right here. Baskin Robbins. Bro, look how steep this hill is to get out of here. What the hell? Y'all see this? Look at this. Pasta, what's that? Pasta Vera?
I don't know. Remember
Vara?
I was trying to go to that pasta place?
Yeah.
But I think it's called like Pasta World or something like that.
We got Ace Hardware. That's not fitting at all.
I never knew what that place was.
This?
Yeah.
It's the Hardware. Shit, that shit's steep, yo. I didn't even think he was gonna scrape right there, bro. That's crazy. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, that shit sound good. That shit sound good as fuck too. Jesus Christ. That was an Audi, y'all. I didn't know Audi sound that good. With exhaust system. So damn loud, y'all. It's crazy. We got another G-Wagon right here. Like a wrap. It's like matte black wrap. Pothole. has no side mirrors. It's just insane, bro. I'm not even gonna pass him right now. What's that? We got a white Mercedes. So much red lights, man. Alrighty guys, I think I'm gonna close out the video right here. Thank y'all for watching this video as always. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn your post notifications on. And we out. Oh, big bubble.